Welcome back to Summarize Science. We all hear about how powerful AI is getting at complex reasoning, like solving advanced math problems or writing code. But there's a huge bottleneck that many people don't talk about. Training these models is incredibly slow and expensive. Researchers have found that when training an AI, most of the time is spent waiting on just a few, extremely long tasks. This is called the long-tail problem, which you can see illustrated perfectly in this graph. The vast majority of AI-generated responses are short, but a tiny fraction are incredibly long, and these few long ones hold up the entire process. This means that for most of the training time, incredibly powerful and expensive computer hardware is just sitting idle, waiting for the slowest tasks to finish. So, the big question is, can we use that wasted time to speed things up? A new paper proposes a system called TLT, or Taming the Long-Tail, that does exactly that. To understand their solution, we need to know that training is a multi-step process, and the slowest part is the rollout stage, where the AI generates its many possible answers. The core idea is a clever two-part system featuring what they call an adaptive drafter. Think of the main, powerful AI as a senior manager and the adaptive drafter as a speedy junior assistant. Instead of the slow manager having to write every single word of a long email from scratch, the assistant can quickly draft a version. Then, the senior manager can just verify the whole draft all at once, which is much faster than generating it word by word. This technique is known as speculative decoding. But the real magic is the adaptive part. As the main AI learns and changes, a fixed assistant would quickly become outdated and its drafts would be useless. So, the TLT system uses the idle computer hardware, the parts that are just waiting around, to continuously train and update the drafter assistant. This happens automatically and opportunistically without slowing down the main job at all. This all sounds great in theory, but does it actually work? The results are impressive. As you can see in these charts, the TLT system achieves a speedup of over 1.7 to 2.1 times compared to the current state-of-the-art systems. That means a training job that would normally take 11 days could be done in about 5 or 6. And crucially, this speedup comes with no loss of quality. The final AI model is just as smart and accurate as one trained the slow way. So, let's recap the key points. The big problem in training reasoning AI is the long tail, where a few slow tasks waste a ton of time and resources. The solution is an adaptive system that uses a small, fast drafter model to guess ahead, and this drafter is constantly retrained using otherwise idle computer time. The result is a massive training speedup without any downside. What this means for the future is that developing the next generation of powerful reasoning AIs could become significantly faster, cheaper, and more accessible. This could accelerate breakthroughs in fields that rely on AI, from discovering new medicines to creating more complex software.